I hope they will not have,
Answer Williams.
I hope they will not have mental constipation.
Alright, good evening. Candidates number 6. Okay, so if you could explain your journey using one word without explanation, your journey here in Magis 2025, what would it be and why? No explanation, one word only.
It would be success.
Success. How about you?
It is a privilege.
Privilege.
Yes, both the success and privilege. Shall we pick one for the photo analysis? We have photo number 9.
9.
Sana.
Please be silent.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I could describe the picture in my own perspective, it would be the volume of the power of dreaming. Just like me, this is not my first time that I joined pageant. One time I failed June because I was not able to answer the question well. And on the first week of February 2025, I was announced to be called in the faculty to tell me that I am one of the representatives. And what I did was I tried into the power of motivation